This is a 2008 BMW 650. Its top features include a sports suspension, a navigation system, BMW Assist, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a sunroof, Dakota leather upholstery, cruise control, a four-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, BMW individual composition, headlight cleaners, steering wheel memory settings, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.